Millet fully automated packaging production line. A Z-type elevator combined with AC head linear scale ensures that the wheat millet is transported vertically and smoothly to the filling station in a dust-free environment. The high-precision linear scale provides dynamic and accurate weighing of the millet with extremely precise weight control. The double-headed, four-wheel cutting machine adopts a dual-station design with pre-spinning and final spinning. First, the four wheels pre-tighten and position the cap, and then the two heads apply precise force for a second tightening, achieving a double seal. Electromagnetic induction aluminum foil sealing machine performs induction sealing of aluminum foil inside the lid, forming a second barrier against moisture and locking in freshness. Then, the three-sided labeling machine applies a U-shaped three-sided wrap label to the can body, resulting in a flat, bubble-free label that enhances the brand's image and three-dimensional effect. Finally, the bottle collector smoothly collects the finished cans.